How to get 1099 from crypto.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get your 1099 tax form from your crypto account. So first of all you have to do is just see the criteria for getting the 1099 tax form from your crypto account. If you see the criteria for getting the 1099 tax form, so if you're a US resident and you have earned $600 or more in reward from your crypto.com or your crypto account during the previous year calendar from the lockup, and you have earned referral and certain other activities as required by law, crypto.com or your crypto account will provide you a copy of your 1099 tax form from the Internal Revenue Services. Likewise, you will also get the 1099B form as a tax form from your crypto account as well. So you will receive an email from the nonreply.crypto.com to the latest email address that you have mentioned in your crypto account that you have recorded, and just follow the link to download the copy of your form of your 1099 tax form and the 1099B tax form. So if you have not received any email, you need to go to the spam box or your junk folder and to check whether you have received the email for your 1099 tax form or not. But if you want a paper copy of the 1099 tax form, you need to contact to the customer support of the crypto.com on this particular email which says contact@crypto.com. You need to type the email to them and ask them to provide you a paper version of the tax form that you have to fill and submit through mail. So this is basically how you will be able to get 1099 from crypto.com. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.